Let's look now at how we use the PrepSure. I've got a crown prep here. And what I'm going to do is make sure that it's in MIP, maximum interocclusal position. If you look at the red, you'll see I've blackened it. And what I want to see, oops, it won't go. So the functional bevel was not big enough on here. That one slips through, the distal. But then when I go through, it snaps. Same thing, if I could get it through on the mesial, it snaps on the lingual. And by blackening that with articulating paper, you get that. You can see exactly where you need to adjust. So over prepping is eliminated. Can you see the blue marks? On this plane, it would be the lingual cusp, buccal facing slope. Both of those need to be adjusted. And then on the buccal cusp, I would take some off of this lingual facing slope, but for sure, the first thing I would do is give myself a much more robust functional bevel. If you made those changes, then you should be able to pass through this safely. When I put my guide cuts in there, if I want to, let's say I want 1.5 millimeters, and I make my guide cuts, whether it's one plane or two planes, one plane here, two planes here. Once I get those guide cuts in, then what I can do is I can slide this into there and make sure I'm at the proper depth. The margin, I can measure my margin to make sure I have a thick enough margin interproximally, buccal and lingually.